Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Even if the Ford Fiesta looks like a simple and affordable car, mechanics say the real issues often appear over time, especially when maintenance is delayed or small warning signs are ignored. Understanding these deeper problems can help you avoid costly repairs and make a smarter decision before buying or keeping one. Suspension wear is another common issue, especially in cars used on rough roads. Parts like shock absorbers, ball joints, and control arm bushings can wear out over time. When this happens, you may hear clunking noises or feel that the car is not stable on bumps. Uneven tire wear is also a sign of suspension problems. Regular inspection helps prevent unsafe driving conditions and bigger repair costs. Brake system maintenance is also very important. Brake pads naturally wear out, but many drivers delay replacement until the rotors are damaged. This mistake increases repair costs significantly. Mechanics always recommend replacing brake pads early and paying attention to squeaking or grinding noises before the problem gets worse. Battery and alternator issues can also cause unexpected breakdowns. A weak battery may lead to starting problems or strange electrical behavior. A failing alternator can stop charging the battery properly, which may cause the car to shut down while driving. Mechanics suggest checking the charging system regularly, especially in older vehicles. Cooling fans and thermostats are small parts that play a big role in engine temperature control. If the fan stops working or the thermostat gets stuck, the engine can overheat very quickly, especially in traffic. These problems often happen without much warning, so mechanics recommend checking the cooling system whenever you notice temperature changes. Routine maintenance is another major point that mechanics constantly emphasize. Simple tasks like oil changes, air filter replacement, and spark plug replacement are very important. Skipping these services may not cause immediate problems, but over time it leads to engine wear and poor performance. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping the Fiesta reliable. Using cheap aftermarket parts is another mistake many owners make. While they may save money at first, they often wear out faster or do not perform properly. This leads to repeated repairs and more long-term cost. Mechanics usually recommend using quality or original parts whenever possible for better reliability. Tire care is also very important for safety and performance. Incorrect tire pressure or worn-out tires can affect handling, fuel efficiency, and braking distance. Since the Ford Fiesta is a light front-wheel drive car, tires play a big role in stability. Regular tire checks help prevent accidents and improve driving comfort. Listening to unusual sounds is something mechanics always advise. Strange noises like whining, squealing, ticking, or rattling are often early warning signs. Fixing problems early is always cheaper and easier than waiting for a full breakdown. Paying attention to these small signals can save you from major repairs. Carbon buildup can also become a problem in some engines. Over time, deposits can form inside the intake system, causing rough idling, poor acceleration, and reduced efficiency. Cleaning the intake system occasionally helps maintain performance and fuel economy. Even the air conditioning system can develop issues over time. Problems like refrigerant leaks or compressor failure can make the system stop working properly. While this does not affect engine performance, it can make driving uncomfortable, especially in hot weather. In the end, mechanics are not saying the Ford Fiesta is a bad car. The main warning is that it needs proper care and attention. Most of the serious problems come from neglecting small issues for too long. When maintained properly, the Fiesta can be reliable, fuel efficient, and great for daily use. The key is simple. Fix small problems early, follow maintenance schedules, and pay attention to warning signs before they turn into expensive repairs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.